This video is going to teach you how to use something called validation. Validation is to help us warn people or stop people from typing things into our spreadsheet that we don't want them to. So for example here, look, I've got a spreadsheet where I might want to record some student marks. So it might be for me, or it might be for other teachers, or it might even be for students to fill in themselves. So Michelle comes along and she puts in her mark, maybe she gets 23, and then maybe Nora comes in and she thinks, well actually yeah, I got 30. Okay, and then maybe Ryan's a bit of a joker and he thinks he got -12. Now at the moment we can let them put that in, but we don't want them to put in some of these values. So if we want to be able to work out averages, we can't use this value here, 30, that's no good to us. And obviously Ryan's being silly, so we want to stop him from doing that. So let's just delete that now. And what we can do is grab the cells we want to validate. So these are the cells people are going to type stuff in, and go to data and validation. And you can see here's my range. And I'm going to say I want a number in there. There's obviously other options, look, but I'm just going to choose number, and it's going to be between 0 and 50. So I can either then warn people or I can stop them from putting anything in. And I can show the help, look, enter a number between 0 and 50. Whenever I change it, I need to reset, because maybe I'm going to do 60, look, so let's just reset the message. But I'm going to do 50, reset, and check that that's right. Okay, 0 between 50, so press save now. So here we go. So let's try putting in 32, and 12, and let's try 30. Okay, it doesn't let me. And then Ryan's coming along again with his -12. It doesn't let him do it. So that's the first step of validation. We can do this with text as well. This time we're not going to use numbers. So we select the range again, data and validation. This time I'm going to do a list of items. And the options are tea, comma, coffee. Okay, so if I press save now, and we're going to reject input again on mine. There we go, press save. This time, look, you get a little drop-down box. You've probably seen these online before, because obviously it's really important that when we want people to answer a question, we don't want them putting something that's not one of our options. So there we go, Michelle likes tea, Nora likes coffee, Akmal's tea, and then if I try and put Sprite in there, because I can still type, it won't let me put it in. So that's another form of validation. And the last one, instead of typing the list, we might already have it. So we go to data again, select the range, validation. You can see it's already on the list from a range, so all I do is click on the box, grab the range there, and press OK. I'm going to reject the input and show the help. Yep, that's not much good. Let's just put select and enter a value from the range. And press save. Okay, you can see now, look, people can choose, and this is probably the sort of thing you've probably seen online before when maybe you've filled in a form. Okay, and that's how we use data validation.